Have you ever seen something so broken that you thought it was completely useless? Well, this story might change your mind. For years, this car sat abandoned. Dust covered every inch of it. The paint was faded, the body was damaged, and most people had already given up on it. To them, it was just a piece of junk. But one person saw something different. Instead of seeing what the car was, he imagined what it could be. So he made a decision. He bought the car. It wasn't easy. The car could barely move. It had to be pulled, dragged, and carefully transported all the way to his garage. And that's where the real journey began. First, the cleaning started. Years of dirt, rust, and neglect were slowly washed away. Piece by piece, the true shape of the car started to come back. Then came the mechanical work. The engine was opened, repaired, and rebuilt. Old, worn-out parts were replaced. Every small detail was checked and fixed. It wasn't just repair, it was a complete transformation. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months, but the vision never changed. Next came the design. The body was reshaped, scratches removed, dents fixed, and finally, the paint. A fresh, shining coat that made the car look brand new again. It was no longer the same broken vehicle. It had become something beautiful, something powerful, something alive again. And then came the most exciting moment. The car was taken out on the road. The same car that once looked forgotten now turned heads wherever it went. People couldn't believe it. What car was this before? Is this really the same vehicle? Yes, it was. This story reminds us of something important. Sometimes we give up on things too quickly. We think they're finished, broken, or not worth saving. But with effort, patience, and vision, almost anything can be brought back to life. Even something that looks completely destroyed. So next time you see something old or damaged, don't ignore it, because hidden inside it might be something truly amazing. And if you enjoy stories like this, real transformations, incredible restorations, and satisfying rebuilds, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because we bring you amazing content that proves one simple thing: nothing is truly lost if you're willing to rebuild it.